Muthenya Jonaro RAIS Ruto nethirĩtwo agĩkinya kĩathone gĩa gwĩkĩrwo thũmbĩ kwa Reverend WALLACE ng'ang'a gaciri kĩnini kĩa Ulinzi Complex Nairobi na mũcokeretie nkatho nĩ ũndũ wa kũnjũkia kanya ga kũrera njeshi na Ruteto akiuga thirikari ikagwatanĩra na kanisa kenda kuona thiguru nĩ gwĩtana mbere bwega.
Because God is the one who takes and looks after the human person in a special way. And if He doesn't look after us, you can put around us as many watchmen, as many guards as possible, but everything will be in vain if the Lord does not watch over us.
Our presence at Bishop Ng'ang'a's installation underscores our commitment to support our forces in every way, including the provision of spiritual and pastoral sustenance necessary for their well-being and for their duty. In Kenya, we acknowledge the supremacy of the Almighty God of all creation, and therefore the recognition that protection of the freedom of worship is a fundamental constitutional guarantee. Bishop Ng'ang'a, receive my warmest congratulations and the best wishes of the government and the people of Kenya as you take over this responsibility to look after the spiritual health of our military ordinariate. Your leadership will be vital in guiding those who defend our nation, and I'm confident that under your guidance, the military ordinariate will remain a source of strength for not just our brave men and women in uniform, but to their families and to all who work with them.
Wakristo na nyinyi pokeeni baraka ya